In this video, I'm going to teach you about complementary and supplementary angles. So we have on this side a question that says, what is the complementary angle value of x? And we could see this angle and we have 70 degrees, and then x here, okay? And on this side we have, what is the supplementary angle value of y? And we have y, and this is the 60 degrees. So let's start with this side. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So this little box here means that this angle is 90 degrees. The little square means 90 degrees. So we know that these two angles will add up to 90 degrees, and that's the meaning of a complementary angle. Okay? So now, to find x, we know that we just add these two together and they're going to equal 90. So 70 plus x equals 90 degrees. So now we isolate x. We move the 70 over to this side. And if you remember, when you move it over, it changes sign. So now, because we moved it over, we have x equals 90 degrees minus 70 degrees. And the answer then is 20 degrees. X equals 20 degrees. So now if we come to this side, the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. This is a straight line. So we could see this straight line. So these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. So we know that y plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. Now we just need to isolate y. And so to do that, we move this 60 degrees over, and because it crosses over the equal sign, it changes sign, okay? So now we have y equals 180 minus 60. And the answer for y is 120. So y equals 120 degrees. And that's complementary and supplementary angles. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. You could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.